Vinca plants, also called periwinkle, are awesome little beauties you can find in gardens. These are commonly seen almost everywhere. They come in all sorts of vibrant colors like white, pink, purple, and blue. Ever thought of growing these by yourself at the comfort of your own house? Well, you can do that easily if you have even a single matured Vinca plant. And I am here to let you know how we can do that. Don't skip any part because I am going to give you small tips which will help to boost the plant and make it bushier. Hello everyone, I am Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. If you are into plants and nature, this channel is definitely for you. So do visit my channel once and subscribe if you found it interesting. Starting with today's video, let me show you my Vinca plants which I already have. I have two varieties of Vinca. Here is a matured pink Vinca and a white Vinca plant. In our next Vinca planter, these Vinca plants have grown wildly and hence we have mixed variety here. It basically happens due to its ability to grow in various environments. If a Vinca plant in one planter produces seeds, these seeds may be carried by wind or insects to neighboring planters, resulting in new Vinca plants growing without any deliberate action. And a result of this, you can see the small Vinca saplings in my several other planters. So let's remove this all from there as they absorb all the essential nutrients and that causes stunted growth of the main plant. We will plant all the Vinca saplings and cuttings together in a hanging planter. The soil in this planter was dried out for several months, so let's water it thoroughly first. We can fertilize our plant once it develops some roots. This will ensure healthy plant growth. Now let's start pruning our wildly grown Vinca. Pruning is very essential to encourage branching, which will help your plant get bushier. You won't need to prune only to take cuttings. As soon as any stem reaches 6 to 7 inch, you can just pinch out the upper part and that will encourage branching. These cuttings are still not ready to be grown in soil. Now we need to remove the bottom leaves to make space for plant to grow roots. Further, we can insert these stems in soil and once it gets all the necessary supplements, these nodes will encourage itself to grow fresh new roots. I am satisfied by the cuttings we have taken, so let's go forward with this wildly grown Vinca. Let's loosen up the soil and gently pull out the stem. Here we need to be very cautious as we don't want to damage either Vinca or our main plant roots. And here are our Vinca plant saplings, each sapling with healthy roots. The combination of fibrous and adventitious roots enables Vinca plant to effectively capture resources from the soil and anchor themselves securely. And now comes the most exciting as well as my favorite part. Let's now assemble and plant all these cuttings and saplings all together in our hanging planter. Loosening up the soil a little bit and then removing the upper layer of soil, now let's insert all our baby Vinca plants into this. If you are enjoying this video or finding it helpful, please do like this video as it will encourage me to make more of such beautiful videos. This process was so satisfying and once done, this is how our plant is looking. Absolutely elegant and beautiful. This always flowering plant is best for everyone out there. Thanks for watching.